Hello friends, welcome back to Students World. Today we discuss about preformed adapters. Now what are preformed adapters? These adapters are short synthetic, partially double-stranded DNA molecules that we use to add sticky ends to a blunt-ended DNA molecule. These adapters have one blunt end and one sticky end and an internal restriction enzyme recognition sequence. Now you see the structure of an EcoR1 adapter. You see in the diagram there is an EcoR1 sticky end at 5' end and blunt end at 3' end. The adapter also contains an internal sequence of restriction enzyme not first. Similarly, in BAM-H1 adapter there is BAM-H1 sticky end at 5' end, blunt end at 3' end, and internal sequence for sum of first restriction enzymes. This internal sequence of restriction enzyme help in excision of insert DNA from the vector after cloning by using restriction enzyme. Now, modification of adapters. During ligation of insert DNA with adapter molecules, the two adapter molecules can ligate to each other to form the dimer. This dimer formation reduces the ligation efficiency. To prevent the formation of this dimer, the 5' end of each adapter molecule is modified by giving alkaline phosphatase treatment. This enzyme removes the phosphate group from the 5' end. Due to lack of this phosphate group, there is no ligation between the two adapter molecules. Now you see in the diagram BAM-H1 adapter, the 5' end of this adapter is modified with the enzyme alkaline phosphatase. Phosphatase removes the phosphate group from the 5' end. Now working with preformed adapters. First of all, two molecules of adapters are ligated to a blunt-ended insert DNA with the help of enzyme DNA ligase. After ligation of adapter to the insert DNA, this DNA is treated with polynucleotide kinase. This enzyme regenerates phosphate group at the 5' end so that this DNA can be ligated in a vector. And finally, this insert DNA with two adapter molecules is ligated in a vector which contain BAM-H1 restriction enzymes and recombinant vector is formed. The preformed adapter ligated the insert DNA with blunt ends in a vector which produce sticky ends. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.